So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video we are going to be discussing about exciting job opportunity for the role of content strategist at Google, where fresher graduates or 12th pass candidates having relevant experience can consider applying. So if you are interested in this kind of job role, please do consider watching this video very carefully till the end. And in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. So let's start friends with this opening, and I would strongly suggest to you to listen to me in this video, because if you go directly to the link you will not be able to understand this job role, but I have simplified for you. So this is a non-technical job role where you need to have good communication skills, good analytical skills, and you should be a good team player, or you should have a knack of working in teams. Now, what will be your main KPIs for here, which means key performance indicators, or what you will be majorly responsible for? You will be responsible for increasing brand awareness of Google products and gaining customer loyalty, means customers should stick to those Google products, that you will have to ensure. Now we will understand what this job description is. So I have simplified this job description to you. You can check it on their website also. It is a bit different, but because I have simplified it, I have written it differently. So to make you understand it simply, the purpose of a content strategist is to develop a strategy for promoting an organization's new product launches by producing quality content and promoting it through various channels. It could be social media channels or any other. Then a content strategist works with different members like editors, writers, UX designers or IT engineers, you can say, and marketers to deliver stories that are aligned with business goals. So you have to create stories around the content and publish them in such a way that people start engaging in that. So this kind of job role, and the salary for this job role is pretty good. As far as I know, it is not mentioned on website, but as far as I've done some research, it will be between 12 to 15 LPA, which is pretty good. Now the interview rounds, round 1 will be HR screening round where they will ask you basic questions. Round 2 will be the behavioral and hypothetical kind of questions can be asked. I had discussed it earlier also. And round 3 will be with teams. So now I'll discuss some of the very important and tricky interview questions that will also make you understand more about this job role. So that can be asked with you. So they are, what steps will you implement in your content strategy? So if you can understand that, you will completely understand the role. So firstly, you will identify the target audience for the product. So whenever the Google team launches a technical product, you will identify who is the target audience. Identify the related keywords by doing Google search. So if that product is already there made by some other company, some Google search related keywords must be there. So you have to search them. Write amazing content in discussion with editors and writers, including keywords. So you then have to write content on that product with discussion with the editors and writers, which will also be there in Google. Then you have to create a distribution strategy for content by discussing with marketing team. So then you will discuss with marketing team how you want to promote this product, or distribute this content. Then analyze the performance of the content and make necessary changes. After you do the marketing with discussion with marketing team, you will analyze the marketing results and recommend changes whatever are required to make it even better. Then what is a good quality content, or how will you write a good quality content? So it should be written by keeping target audience in mind and what kind of message you are trying to convey through that content. And it should be well structured and the tone of voice should be relevant. So you want to use a formal tone or informal tone, friendly tone, whatever tone you have to use, you have to think about it related to the audience. Then it should also include relevant keywords based on search results. So as I told you, you have to search for some keywords also that you will put in the content, so that that content is easily searchable. Then how do you tailor made content for your audience? So you should consider the reader's level of knowledge about that product or topic. If they are very familiar with that product or topic, you can include more technical terms. But if it's a completely new technical product, you will use more simple language, and you will also write in an engaging and compelling manner so that it does not become boring. Then there will be HR interview and basic questions like tell me about yourselves. What challenges do you expect in this role? Talk about your past experience if you have any. What are your salary expectations? Why Google? Why this role? These kind of questions can be asked. So I have discussed them many times. Now I'll show you how you can apply for this role. So I have floated this on my website. You can see Google Content Strategist, and it is based out of Hyderabad. So you can just click here and then you will be redirected to this page. I have written the complete job description here as is written by the company, and if you feel you are comfortable, just go to apply for this job and you will be redirected to this page where you can see this job has been floated: bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. And if you don't have bachelor's degree, then your practical experience will be working with clients and maybe project management type of experience. So once you are comfortable, you should go to this apply button and apply with your details like your resume and all the details. And friends, if you want to get your resume modified for this role or any other role, this service has been started by me and the link is in the description box. You can go to my company webpage and apply for modified resume. It is done at a very reasonable cost, so you can check that out accordingly. So I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings in future. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.